Good morning and welcome back again to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top bar hive weight. We have been feeding it pretty heavily and we want to take a look at the stores. We want to take a look at the population and just get an overall idea where they are. Because this bar is pretty much all honey, it's a little heavy and the bees have attached it. Now the bees are sealing up their hive, so in order for me to get the top bars to fit tightly together, I have to take off the propolis that they build between the bars. Alright, so that's one bar of honey so far. They're not too happy about me cutting the brace comb. Alright, a lot of this drone brood is hatched out. Yeah. Hey Josh, can you get me some zip ties? Yep, ask Mom where they are. And those hair clips in the garage. Yep. This is where the comb broke off the bar. Alright. You'll probably have to be from the front.
Huh?
You'll probably have to be from the front. And then what I'll do is I'll hold this up here. And then if you can take and tie these zip ties. Have you done that before?
Yeah.
Okay. can't do. I tried, but I can't do both. So if you can just grab the zip tie. It's too short. We have a long.
Stay away from me.
All right. Try this again. All right. Grab the yellow things and pull them towards you. All right. All right, let's just take the contraption.
I think I'm trying. Stop. 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 After my creepy. Just stay in there. Yeah.
Twist it. Squished it. Ouch! Little parts. All right, where you at?
Behind you.
I need to have you go up front. You take those 2 bottles, fill them up. I'm going to fix this and then we're going to get out of here. Not my best work, but it's holding the comb. Go back in the basketball hoop. Just put it on there and walk away slowly. Don't run. Okay, so today's inspection was a fail. We did not get to go in and see what we wanted to see because I broke that bar. So we'll be revisiting them within the next couple of days, I suppose. And we still have to do the stripe hive. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up icon below. Also, feel free to share it with your friends, family, and anyone else that likes bees and beekeeping. If you liked it, they may too. Be sure also to subscribe for more videos on taking care of the bees. Also, if you click the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notifications of when new videos are posted. Thanks again and have a great day.